Salut, salut, bonsoir à tous. J'espère que vous allez très bien. Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. So, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, according to your position, your location right now. Alright, so this is your Professor Marcel. Easy French with Marcel. Alright, so it's a very great pleasure for me to be on live today with you all. So, for those who are joining, thank you very much. First of all, I hope you like our page and subscribe. Don't forget to activate the notification. Alright, so today we're going for our first live on YouTube. I'm very happy to see you all and to meet you all on live here. So don't forget to write your comment down and to give some more support, okay, in the comment. All right. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about the different skills. All right. As the title says, we have the language learning skills. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the French language learning skills. Alright, so when we talk about languages, it's all about the speaking and the listening, so which is all about communication. Alright, so first we are going to talk about the main language, which is French. So, how to develop the different skills in French language. So first of all, let me tell you the different skills that we have to perform or practice on to get a better communication skills in French. So we have three main skills, which are the listening skills, the speaking skills, and the writing skills. Alright, so what is the listening skill? The listening skill is all about the hearing, all right, so audio, songs, musics, all right, so which we hear with our ears. All right, and we have also the speaking skills, all right, or the talking or reading. So now come to the reading skills. Also, it's all about the speaking skill. Now let's go with the writing skill, which is all about the spelling, okay, so spelling a word. All right, so here let me tell you that all these skills are very important to practice and to focus on. Right now here we have the first skill, which is the listening skill. Why I place that on first position? Because first of all, when we learn better and easier, faster when we hear. All right, so we keep many things by hearing, so that's why the hearing and the listening is the most important skill to get to practice on. Then the second come on the speaking. So why the speaking come first, second? Because when you listen to something or to someone or music or audio, easily you can repeat or tell the same thing. All right, so that's why we have also the speaking skills just after the listening skill. Then come next and last with the third skill, which is the writing skill, all about the spelling skill. All right, so here are the different skills to work on while learning a new language. So first of all, base your learning on the listening skill, which is very very important. And okay, from the listening skill you can easily get the sound, the word, or the speaking when somebody is communicating. All right, when you try to get something, you can easily also try to repeat. All right, then come the writing skill, which is all about the spelling. All right, so here is all about the skills in the language learning, especially in French. All right, so that's it for the skills, and I'm going to talk about the second point, which is about the common words. All right, word used for both languages, English and French. So here I'm going to simplify or tell you the word which are used in English and at the same time in French. So first we have the BLE words, and at the second position we have the TION words. All right, let's go with the BLE words. So the BLE words are all the words, okay, used in French and in English. Let's go with some examples. We have possible, possible, flexible, visible, compatible, horrible, okay, possible, incrédible, capable, and we have also préférable, mesurable, excusable. All right, we have some more words ending with BLE words. So any BLE words that you face in English also have the same meaning in French, but the difference is the pronunciation. All right, now let's go with the second point, or the second words, which are TION words. All right, so TION words are also used in French as well as in English. Let's go with a few examples here. We have notion, information, ambition, éducation, position, notion, pollution, révolution, and we have éducation, direction, addition, affection, action, célébration, and definition. We have some more words. So here as the first words, which are BLE. So the difference here also with TION words from French and English, the difference is just the pronunciation. Alright, so that's it for today, class. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. So thank you for joining our live, and I hope to see you on our next live. Please don't forget to like and leave your comment for more interesting videos, and don't forget to switch on your notification for next video and live. Thank you and see you on next video. À bientôt, au revoir.